Yeah, I can see that here in my log in program. Yeah, Sutherland. Sounds a very distinguished name, I must say. What? Sounds as though you're in amongst the money with that name, what, over? Beautiful. Well, maybe we'll get a chance to work from there as well, but you sound excellent. Thanks very much for the call, Worth. Have a good day. My pleasure. EA5JZ.
Check his signal out. EA5JZ, I think he said. Man, he's just he's pounding in here, man. That's on a 40-meter dipole. You know, it's not ideal. And, dang, man. See, guys, I love listening to single sideband on a relatively quiet band with my AGC set to fast. I prefer it.
Lovely to hear you coming through so well, and the band is in great shape here in 15. Thanks for saying hello, Scott. VA3UP, EA5JZ.
Spaceweather.com claims that we just got blasted by a Halo CME, whatever that is. They invent fun words. It's reality physics. You gotta have ever yet a new and fun sounding term for things. Like with the different variants of blood moons. The wolf blood moon. It's like, God, give me a break, man. I sound like the bitter old bastard. I just don't like dumbed down science. By all rights, HF should have collapsed. And it may yet. Yeah. First we'll lose 10 meters, 17, then 15, and they'll crush flat on down the spectrum until you better hope you got an 80-meter dipole up. Yeah, solar dynamics with Blowzo, 73.